The Volkswagen navigation system is designed for easy address entry and clear route directions and many other useful features. To enter a destination, with the vehicle in park, select the navigation icon from the home screen. Or, if you have a navigation widget in a customized widget page, you can select that. Tap the destination icon to enter new destinations, find recently entered destinations, or saved favorites. Use the Search tab to enter a specific destination by address or name. The list will populate with known locations, refining the results as more data is entered. You can also search for points of interest, such as gas stations, parking lots, or restaurants, by selecting one of the blue icons above the keyboard. Before starting guidance, you can save a destination as a favorite by tapping the heart icon. To begin guidance, tap Start. With an active route plan displayed, icons for waypoints, destination suggestions, and points of interest will be displayed. The route distance and estimated time of arrival will be displayed on the right-hand side. If you wish to stop guidance, touch the destination icon, which will turn to an X as your finger is within the proximity sensors. For additional navigation functions, please see the owner's manual.